Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Delta Force game multiplayer connection problem. Guys, first solution is go to your Windows set, type here ncpa.cpl. Once you type this command, this setting appear on the top, so just open it. And here you will see the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet, so make a right click on your connection and you will see the properties, so just go to your properties of your Wi-Fi and just look for the Internet Protocol version 6. Just uncheck this box. Then just highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Then just go to its properties. Now just click on the use following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS just type 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate just type 1.0.0.1. Now just click on the OK, launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still connection problem, then just type here the Google DNS server, which is just remove this DNS server first. Then in the preferred DNS just type 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate just type 8.8.4.4. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. So first DNS server is the Cloudflare and this is the Google DNS server. Then just click on this option of OK. Now just restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now if you still have the multiplayer connection problem, then just go to your Windows site, type here the cmd. Now command prompt appear on the top, so just click on this run as administrator option. Guys, once it was open, just type here ipconfig // then flush DNS. And once you type ipconfig // DNS, just hit the enter. After that, guys, just type netsi winsock reset. Once you type it, just hit the enter. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Once you restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, so just check the server status of Delta Force. Open up your Internet browser, just search for the server status of Delta Force and just open up the first subsite and just see if there is any kind of server is down. And if yes, then wait for it to come back to the normal, then just check problem is fixed or not. And hope one of these solutions fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.